With Prevvy, a provider can manage the relationship with her patients and offer services beyond the clinic for better patient care. Prevvy offers providers different dashboards to facilitate management and tracking of patients and services. Here in the landing page, the provider can see a list of her patients and the services associated with each of them. Changing views. In the service dashboard, a provider can track and record her activities related to remote care services, such as chronic care management or remote patient monitoring, to ensure all requirements for Medicare reimbursement are met. Here, a provider is entering activities related to a patient, such as a call with a patient or caregiver, or a call to the pharmacy to check on a medication. In the metrics dashboard, the provider can easily identify which patients have measurements that are out of range, and if needed, modify their care plans accordingly. Returning to the patient dashboard, the provider can access a patient health record and their daily activities. The metrics view shows measurements about vital signs, labs, and fitness activities. Both providers and patients have access to an aggregated personal health record with data about conditions, immunizations, medications, diagnostics, and so on. With Prevvy, healthcare providers and even payers and pharma companies can create templates for patient care plans and wellness plans for specific populations. An example of a care plan template could be one for care coordination or remote monitoring programs. Starting from a template care plan, the provider can personalize goals, scheduling, and add new activities from a large menu. For example, a provider can easily add a brief walk to the patient care plan. In addition, the care plan may include a daily weight measurement. Some other type of activities to include could be a daily medication, a follow-up appointment, completion of a health assessment questionnaire, or reading on a brief nutrition or disease-specific piece of education. For patients, Prevvy Health Assistance helps them better manage their own care. Patients can easily view their daily activities, review their metrics, access their health records, view their care plans, check their health calendars, communicate with the care team, and share all this information with caregivers or family members. With Prevvy, a family member, such as a parent, can manage the health information and care plans for every member of the family. Using Prevvy, patients can access their daily activities and provide feedback about the completion of the activity or enter the value of some specific measurement, in this case, the daily weight. All this information is shared back with the patient care team, so they can check on the patient care plan execution and the adherence to treatments. For each care plan, the care team can check on the timeline of activities and check the patient adherence to the care plan. It also allows secure and encrypted communication among its users, either via instant messaging or video conferencing. Similar to Slack, a provider or a patient can initiate a conversation and add other members to it, such as someone from a specialist office or a family member helping to care for a patient. Finally, patients can also use Prevvy to communicate with other patients or other patient communities, always in a secure and encrypted way.